Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a natural look using all drugstore products. This is also for anyone out there that has acne. I have a lot of post-acne scarring, so I'm just looking to cover that up. First, I take a good hydrating moisturizer. This one is actually the one I prefer now. A lot of makeup artists use it and I love it because it's very hydrating but not as heavy as the Weleda one, which is what I used before. And then I go in with this L'Oreal Duo. This tinted serum is one of my favorites, drugstore or not drugstore, and this is also a glow enhancer, so it's great for blending both together. It looks really dark on my hands, but I promise you it's not. My face is just a little bit lighter than my body, but as you can see, it's got very natural finish. You wouldn't even know I'm wearing it, and I love that, but it's still got a bit of coverage. Another L'Oreal product, this is their concealer, and it looks like I'm putting on a lot, but I promise you it's very lightweight and it blends into almost nothing but not nothing. It kind of reminds me of the Charlotte Tilbury or YSL pen concealers, but this is just like a great alternative for drugstore. Yeah, L'Oreal's probably my favorite drugstore brand. They have a bit of everything and it's also good quality. For my brows, I'm just taking this clear mascara. I'm not really into tinted ones, so this one just does the job for me. For mascara, however, I love a brown mascara. I think it's way more natural, and obviously now my lash extensions have fallen out, I do need to start wearing mascara, but sometimes I don't even wear mascara. But if I do, a brown one is my go-to. I'm skipping bronzer this time because I haven't actually found one that I like in the drugstore, so I'm just using some blush. These e.l.f. pots have been my go-to for years now. I love the colour, love the quality, love the consistency. I just think they're great, and they're like £3 or £4. I just love them so much. Yeah, pretty sure I've said this before, but they remind me of the NARS blush pots. Kiko on the lip liner, I take a shade very similar to my own and I roughly line my lips and then I smudge it out a little bit. I find that this way my lips look a little bit bigger, I don't know. But this Iconic London is my favourite lip oil ever, drugstore, not drugstore, ever. It just makes my lips look so juicy. So yeah guys, this has been my drugstore makeup. I hope you guys enjoyed it and I'll see you soon. Bye.